everyone, this is Emily from Uni-edit answering today's question. Nevertheless, however, meanwhile, in addition, which is correct? This video will be about 3 minutes long. In English writing, readers expect for one idea to flow onto the next idea smoothly and usually with a logical connection. A few of these connections that might be used in academic writing include nevertheless, however, meanwhile, and in addition. Here is a simple quiz to test your understanding of the basic transitions that are commonly used in academic writing. Nevertheless, however, meanwhile, and in addition. Please see if you can select the transitional device that best fits in the following sentence. In general, he used complex recipes for his menus. Blank. He used simpler ones this time in order to address the dietary requirements of the clients in the program. Which did you choose? The best answer is B, however. The reason is that however reveals that a change has been made to the menu. Let's see why the other answers aren't as correct. Answer A, nevertheless. This conveys a similar meaning, such as in spite of this or notwithstanding, but indicates the initial condition is kept or tolerated. Here, the initial condition, which are complex recipes, is not kept. And therefore, nevertheless, is not a suitable connection. A correct sentence using nevertheless would be, in general, he used complex recipes for his menus. Nevertheless, with clear explanations and many pictures, his students were able to learn them. Answer C, meanwhile, could never be used in this context because it implies something happening at the same time somewhere else. A correct example using meanwhile would look something like this. In general, he used complex recipes for his menus. Meanwhile, other chefs were moving toward simple recipes. Answer D, in addition, could also be used here, but it would carry a different meaning. It would mean that this time he used both complex and simple recipes. A correct sentence using in addition would be, in general, he used complex recipes for his menus. In addition, he sourced his ingredients from the most expensive manufacturers and farms. We hope you enjoyed this tip. Once again, this is Emily from Uni-edit. Have a wonderful day.